Welcome to Blooming Minds Academy, Inspiring Future. আজি আমি জেনারেল নলেজৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম। The International Solar Alliance headquarter is at International Solar Allianceৰ headquarter ক'ত আছে? গুৰুগ্ৰাম, দিল্লী, চণ্ডীগড়, পেৰিছ। আৰু শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে গুৰুগ্ৰাম। The International Solar Alliance is an alliance of 121 countries initiated by India. Most of them lie either completely or partly between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Founded on 30th November 2015. Gurugram ক'ত আছে? Gurugram Haryana আছে। Which among the following is not included in the fundamental rights in the Constitution of India? Constitution of Fundamental Rights of ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত কোনকেইটা নাই? Right to equality আছে, right to freedom আছে, right to exploitation আছে, right to information নাই। So the correct answer, right to information. Right to Information Act 2005. Right to Information is an act of the Parliament of India which sets out the rules and procedures regarding citizens' right to information. It replaced the former Freedom of Information Act 2000. The term 16 years heat is associated with badminton, baseball, polo, hockey. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে হকি। হকি আমাৰ নেশ্যনেল গেম হয়। The vital constituent of blood which helps in clotting is platelet, hemoglobin, plasma, serum. The correct answer is platelet. Platelets or thrombocytes are the colorless blood cells that help blood clot. Platelets stop bleeding by clumping and forming plaques in blood vessel injuries. Which of the following animals can hear ultrasonic sound? Cat, rat, bat, squirrel. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে bat. The bat emits ultrasonic waves with very high frequencies. Its calls are pitched at 20 to 100 kilohertz, a frequency that is too high pitch for humans to hear naturally. আমি এয়া শুনিব নোৱাৰো। Their sounds are reflected in the environment, hitting various objects and returning to the bats as echo. আৰু ৰাতি বাদুলিবোৰে এইদৰে উৰিব পাৰে। ৰাতি বাদুলি চকুৰে নেদেখে। The acid rain destroys vegetation because it contains sulfuric acid, ozone, carbon monoxide, nitric acid. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে nitric acid. Acid rain or acid deposition is a broad term that includes any form of precipitation with acidic components such as sulfuric or nitric acid that fall to the ground from the atmosphere in wet or dry form. This can include rain, snow, fog, hail, or even dust that is acidic. Man Booker Prize winner Ms. Kiran Desai's novel The Inheritance of Loss deals with Telangana movement, Santhal movement, Gorkhaland movement, Bodoland movement. The correct answer is Gorkhaland movement. Gorkhaland movement is a campaign to create a separate state of India in Gorkhaland region of West Bengal. The proposed state includes the hill regions of Darjeeling district, Kalimpong district and Dewars region that included Jalpaiguri, Alipurduar and parts of Kuch Bihar district. What is the full form of GRC? Global Automotive Research Consortium, Global Atomic Research Consortium, Global Automotive Research Center, Global Advancement Research Center. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে Global Automotive Research Center. GRC is one of the state-of-the-art test centers established by Ministry of Heavy Industries, Government of India, located at Orgadam near Chennai. GRC has been authorized as test agency by Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, Government of India. The largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior, is located in Canada, Russia, Tanzania, Argentina. The correct answer is Canada. Lake Superior is the world's largest freshwater lake by surface area and third largest freshwater lake by volume. Lake Superior surface area ফালৰ পৰা প্ৰথম আৰু ভলিউমৰ ফালৰ পৰা third হয়. What is the other name of government's ambitious project UID? পৰিচয়, पहचान, आधार, सुरक्षा. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে আধাৰ. In which state of India is the largest river island Majuli located? Majuli ক'ত আছে? Assam, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha. The correct answer is Assam. Majuli is a river island in River Brahmaputra in Assam. It became the first island to be made as a district in India in 2016. First district, River Island District, Majuli. Name of the India's first homemade warship whose features reduce the probability of being detected at sea is Satpura, Gomti, Shivalik, Shivaji. The answer is Shivalik. INS Shivalik is the first stealth warship built by India at Masgao Dock Limited at Mumbai. The Islam was established in 5th century AD, 7th century AD, 3rd century BC, 5th century BC. The answer is 7th century AD. Islam started in Mecca in modern day Saudi Arabia during the time of Prophet Muhammad's life. Which part of the human body is highly affected by the nuclear radiation first? Bone marrow, skin, lungs, eyes. The answer is skin. This is because of greater exposure. Who invented the videotape? Charles Ginzburg, George D. Mastrel, Richard James Newton. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব Charles Ginzburg. Charles Ginzburg and research scholar at Ampex Corporation invented the radiotape recorder in 1951. Who was the contemporary South Indian ruler of Harshavardhana? Krishnadeva Rai, Pulakeshin II, Mauryavarma, Napoleon. The answer is Pulakeshin II. Pulakeshin II was the most famous ruler of the Chalukya dynasty of Batapi. During his reign, the Chalukya kingdom expanded to cover most of the Deccan region of peninsular India. The Panama Canal is different from the Suez Canal as it has lock system, shorter route, busy route, less busy route. Answer is lock system. The major difference between the Panama Canal and Suez Canal that the latter has no lock system. Suez Canal doesn't have any lock system. Ships can sail right through. On the other hand, the Panama Canal has locks which raise the ships and then lower it on the other side. Nappe is a kind of fluvial feature, folded structure, erosional plain, delta region. Answer is folded structure. Nappe or thrust sheet is a large sheet-like body of rock that has been moved a distance of about 2 km or more from its original position by faulting or folding. The area which is resistant to any massive structural transformation is called rigid mass, ancient landmass, tectonic plate, shield. Answer is shield. A shield is a large area of exposed Precambrian crystalline, igneous and high-grade metamorphic rocks that form tectonically stable areas. The space retaining life in any form is called biomass, biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব biosphere. Rhizobium is a kind of photosynthetic bacteria, symbiotic bacteria, parasitic bacteria, saprophytic bacteria. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব symbiotic bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria form an endosymbiotic nitrogen fixing association with roots of legumes. Here they live together as parasite and host. Root hairs arise from cortex, pericycle, epidermis, endodermis. Answer is epidermis. A root hair or absorbent hair, the rhizoid of a vascular plant, is a tubular outgrowth of a trichoblast, a hair-forming cell on the epidermis of a plant root. The fourth state of matter is known as gas, vapor, plasma, electron. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব plasma. Hard copies can be obtained from scanner, speaker, printer, recorder. Answer হ'ব printer. আমি hard copy পাব পাৰোঁ printer পৰা. Chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, sodium oxide. Answer হ'ব sodium chloride, NaCl. Which type of lake is formed by volcanic activities? Lagoon, freshwater lake, caldera lake, karst lake. Answer হ'ব caldera lake. A caldera is a large hollow structure that forms shortly after the emptying of magma chamber in a volcanic eruption. The structural support for the rock above the magma chamber is lost and the ground surface then collapses. Green manure is obtained from domestic vegetable waste, oilseed husk cakes, fresh animal excreta, decomposing green legume plants. Answer হ'ব decomposing green legume plants. An environment includes abiotic factors, biotic factors, oxygen and nitrogen, abiotic and biotic factors. Answer হ'ব abiotic and biotic factors. The temperate grassland of North America are known as pampas, downs, steppes, prairies. Answer হ'ব prairies. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port is located at Paradip, Cochin, Mumbai, Kolkata. Answer হ'ব Mumbai. How many islands are there in Lakshadweep? 17, 27, 36, 47. Answer হ'ব 36. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is an exponent of mandolin, santoor, sitar, veena. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব santoor. Murti Devi Award is given annually in which of the following fields? Literature, films, journalism, music. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব literature. Nobel Prizes are distributed annually at Manila, Stockholm, Geneva, New York. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ Stockholm. Freedom from Fear is a book written by Benazir Bhutto, Karajan Kuino, Aung San Suu Kyi, Nayantara Sehgal. Answer হৈছে Aung San Suu Kyi. Aung San Suu Kyi is a Burmese politician, diplomat, author and 1991 Nobel Peace Prize winner. Who is the writer of the book 1984? J.M. Barrie, Walter Scott, George Orwell, Thomas Hardy. শুদ্ধ উত্তর George Orwell. When did the Constitution Assembly adopt national anthem? 25th January 1950, 26th January 1950, 24th January 1950, 29th January 1950. It's 24th January 1950. The President of India is an integral part of the Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Council of Ministers. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব the Parliament. How many times the preamble of Constitution amended? 3 times, 2 times, once, not amended. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব once. Words socialist, secular and integrity were added to the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976 to ensure the economic justice and elimination of inequality in income and standard of life. Name the Greek ambassador at the Mauryan court. Alexander, Megasthenes, Plato, Aristotle. শুদ্ধ উত্তর Megasthenes. Megasthenes was a Greek historian, diplomat and explorer. He described India in his book Indica. Which rebellion in Bengal was highlighted by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his novel Ananda Math? Chaur uprising, Sannyasi rebellion, Kol uprising, Santhal uprising. শুদ্ধ উত্তর Sannyasi rebellion. Sannyasi rebellion were the act of sannyasis in Bengal against the East India Company rule in the late 18th century. Who introduced laser token currency in India? Akbar, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Babur, Humayun. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Inspired by the paper currency used in China, he introduced laser currency in India in 13th century. Thank you for watching. যদি আপোনালোকক ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিছে তেনেহলে শেয়াৰ কৰিব, লাইক কৰিব আৰু কমেন্ট দিব। আমাৰ ফেসবুক পেজ লিংক দিয়া আছে, ফলো কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।